How we live and work is shaped by the environments we create around us. And within these built structures, technology is a key component. But it's not about the technology hidden inside walls and ceilings. It's about the experiences and performance it enables throughout our lives. It's about the well-functioning hospitals where we take our first breath.
I'll give you the world.
It's about safe and healthy kindergartens. And schools where we learn and grow. After all, we spend most of our lives indoors. It's about reliable and environmentally friendly infrastructure, so we can explore the world. We apply our knowledge, curiosity, and experience to improve the world in which we live. Buildings, infrastructure, and industry, all interconnected to help mend the effects of the climate change instead of contributing to it. Cities that not only meet the needs of people who live there now, but also in the future. Our choices matter, ensuring we can perform our best and be proud of what we are passing on to our children, our grandchildren. It's about sustainable outcomes for people, companies, and the planet. So, it's more than technology. It's about the experiences and performance we create throughout our lives in the structures we build. Building performance.